Navigating to license usage. Licenses are what determine how many users can concurrently use the system at the same time. To review your current license count and usage, go to Manage and click on License Usage. At the top, you will see two license types. The agent licenses are your paid licenses and are required to make calls and to monitor calls live by accessing the Office map. Admin licenses are complimentary licenses with limited VoIP permissions. These licenses are typically utilized to complete administrative tasks that do not require a phone, such as creating user profiles, adding leads, adjusting playlists, and running reports. To allow a user profile to access the admin licenses, please ensure they have the Sign In as Admin permission on their user profile. On the license usage page, you are able to review which user profiles are currently utilizing your licenses. If an agent is receiving the message, "Your company name is currently using all available licenses," you are able to sign out inactive users to release the license for other agents to use. Adding licenses. If you need to adjust your license count, please email billing@readymode.com with your URL, authorization PIN, and requested license adjustment. For more helpful videos, visit help.readymode.com.